Have you ever heard that you can earn money just by watching ads? Sounds easy, right? But the real question is it actually worth it? In this video, I will show you new and different platforms where you can earn money by watching ads, and I will also tell you the reality at the end. The first platform is PaidVerts. Here, you get paid to view advertisements, engage with ads, and complete simple tasks. The more active you are, the more ads you receive. Best for beginners who want to start without any skills. Next is AdWallet. This platform pays you for watching short ads and answering simple questions after ads. Each ad can pay around 50 pence or more, which is higher than most platforms. Important, ads are limited, but payouts are better. Third is Slidejoy mobile app. It shows ads on your lock screen. You earn points just by unlocking your phone and viewing ads casually. No extra effort needed, passive earning style. Another interesting platform is Hideout.tv. Here you watch video content with ads and earn points. You can redeem points into gift cards or cash via partner websites. Good for people who already watch videos daily. Next is MyPoints. This platform offers paid ads viewing, surveys, and shopping rewards. It's not only ads, multiple earning options increase your income. Now let's be honest, you cannot get rich by watching ads. But it's good for beginners, no investment needed, and easy to start. Best use? Combine this with other methods like freelancing or YouTube. If you really want to earn more, don't depend only on ads. Use this as a side income and learn a skill alongside. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, would you try this method or not? See you in the next video.